Why do so many Ford engines fail even when owners believe they are doing everything right? Why do people follow service schedules, change oil regularly, and still face expensive engine problems far earlier than expected? Is maintenance really enough? Or is there something most owners misunderstand about how engines actually wear over time? And why do the same Ford engines that fail early in some cars quietly reach 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles in others? The uncomfortable truth is that many engines don't fail because maintenance is ignored, but because it is done incorrectly, incompletely, or without understanding how modern engines truly behave. Owners often assume that following the dashboard reminders or the owner's manual is enough. In reality, long engine life depends on how maintenance is performed, not just on whether it is performed. One of the biggest mistakes Ford owners make is trusting extended service intervals blindly. Modern service intervals are designed around average use, emissions regulations, and ownership cost targets, not around maximum longevity. When oil change intervals are pushed too far, oil slowly degrades, additives break down, and internal protection decreases. The engine may still feel smooth and quiet, but microscopic wear is increasing with every mile. This wear is invisible in the short term, but becomes permanent over time. Engines that reach 500,000 miles almost always receive oil changes far more frequently than recommended, not because owners are obsessive, but because they understand that oil is the primary defense against wear. Another critical issue is oil specification. Using oil that is close enough is one of the most common and dangerous habits. Ford engines are designed with specific clearances, temperatures, and lubrication requirements. When oil that does not meet the exact specification is used, lubrication may still occur, but not optimally. Over time, this leads to increased friction, higher operating temperatures, and accelerated wear on bearings, timing components, and piston rings. Long-life engines are protected by oil chosen carefully, not conveniently. Cooling system neglect is another silent engine killer. Many owners only pay attention to coolant when a warning light appears or when overheating becomes obvious. But cooling systems degrade slowly. Coolant loses its corrosion inhibitors. Radiators accumulate deposits. Thermostats become less accurate. Hoses weaken internally long before they leak externally. Repeated mild overheating events, even those that never trigger a warning, slowly damage head gaskets, seals, and metal surfaces. Engines that reach extreme mileage are owned by people who treat the cooling system as preventive maintenance, not emergency repair. Fuel quality and combustion cleanliness also play a major role in engine longevity. Poor quality fuel, repeated short trips, and low engine temperatures contribute to carbon buildup on intake valves, piston crowns, and injectors. Over time, this buildup affects combustion efficiency, increases internal temperatures, and stresses engine components. While engines may continue to run, they do so under increasing strain. Owners who achieve very high mileage often drive long enough for full warm-up, avoid constant short trips when possible, and allow the engine to operate in conditions that burn off deposits naturally. Another area often overlooked is the air intake and filtration system. A clogged or low-quality air filter allows fine particles to enter the engine. These particles act like abrasive material inside the cylinders, accelerating wear on piston rings and cylinder walls. This type of damage happens slowly and silently. By the time oil consumption increases or compression drops, the damage is already done. Engines that last hundreds of thousands of miles are protected by clean, high-quality air filtration and regular inspection of intake components. Driving behavior during daily use also has a far greater impact than most owners realize. Many drivers believe that gentle driving at all times is best for the engine. In reality, engines benefit from balanced use. While aggressive driving when cold is harmful, occasional full warm operation under moderate load helps keep components clean and properly seated. Engines that are constantly underloaded, never reaching optimal temperature or pressure ranges, often develop deposits and inefficiencies that shorten lifespan. Long-life engines are driven thoughtfully, not timidly. Neglecting minor issues is another common cause of early engine failure. Small oil leaks, coolant seepage, unusual noises, or subtle changes in performance are often ignored because the vehicle still drives fine. Over time, these small issues escalate. A minor leak leads to low fluid levels. A faint noise becomes a worn bearing. A slight vibration becomes a failing component. Owners who reach 500,000 miles address problems early, when they are still inexpensive and manageable. Electronic systems also influence engine longevity more than most people think. Modern Ford engines rely heavily on sensors to manage fuel, timing, and emissions. When sensors begin to drift or fail slowly, the engine may still run, but not efficiently. Poor sensor data can cause lean or rich conditions that increase heat and wear. Ignoring warning lights or clearing codes without fixing root causes allows engines to operate outside optimal parameters for extended periods. High-mileage engines are usually found in vehicles where electronic issues are diagnosed and corrected promptly. Another overlooked factor is transmission behavior and drivetrain load. Engines do not operate in isolation. Poor transmission shifting, delayed gear changes, or excessive load place additional stress on the engine. Regular transmission maintenance, smooth driving habits, and avoiding unnecessary strain contribute indirectly to engine longevity. Owners who achieve extreme mileage often maintain the entire drivetrain, not just the engine. The mindset behind long engine life cannot be overstated. Engines that reach 500,000 miles are rarely owned by people who chase the cheapest maintenance option or delay repairs indefinitely. They are owned by people who understand that mechanical systems respond directly to how they are treated over time. They listen to changes in sound and behavior. They monitor fluid levels. They respect warm-up and cool-down periods. They view maintenance as protection, not as an inconvenience. The final truth is this: a Ford engine can reach 500,000 miles, but only if maintenance is approached as a long-term strategy, not as a checklist. It requires consistency, attention, and an understanding of how small decisions compound over time. Engines that fail early are not cursed. Engines that last a lifetime are not magical. The difference lies in how they are maintained, driven, and respected every single day. In the next episode, we will focus on the most misunderstood component of all: oil changes in extreme detail, including timing, oil type, filter choice, and the mistakes that silently shorten engine life even when oil is changed regularly. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. Longevity is built one decision at a time.